Hey everyone, so today I'm having Manas sir, President ASME LNM IIT, and Shubhang sir, General Secretary ASME LNM IIT. So in this podcast we have discussed everything about ASME, that is American Society of Mechanical Engineers. लाइक कि प्रोसीजर क्या रहता है, क्या इवेंट्स रहते हैं, अगर स्टूडेंट इसमें है तो उसके क्या पर्क्स हैं. ऑल्सो द स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम अदर डोमेन कैन एनरोल इन दिस अमेजिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड लॉट मोर. तो सभी चीज़ों के आपको आंसर मिलने वाले हैं. सो डू वॉच टिल एंड स्टार्ट. So, sir, the first question is that how it all started. Means all this Pinnack journey, this Pinnack project, was from a organization from LNM IIT, that is ASME. Okay, so I want to know that how it works. Means what is ASME and everything about it.
So, bro, let me tell you about ASME. ASME stands for American Society of Mechanical Engineers, which is the world's largest of such kind for the mechanical engineers. And what happens is that it has different student sections across a lot of colleges in the world.
Yes, sir. So ASME is a very prestigious organization of our college, LNM IIT Jaipur. So, sir, I want to know that how the procedure works. Means how you select the members and what are the position of the responsibilities. As I've mentioned earlier, that you are the president, and so how it works.
Shubham, would you like to take that question?
Yeah, sure, Manas. Okay, so what happens is there are two things. First of all, that I would like to clear. First is the student council, and then there are members of ASME. Those things are quite different. The members of ASME, anyone can become a member of ASME. If you're a first year student, you can directly apply for a membership and it's free of cost, and it comes with lots of perks. And for second, third, and fourth year students, it comes with a cost, but I guess it's quite worthwhile. Second thing is the student council. The student council is actually elected by the previous council and the faculty members. They go through a rigorous period of testing and interviews, and after that, there are members from all the branches of our college, and we pick students based on their interviews and how they perform in the interviews and the later stages. And based on that, the positions are being allotted to the students. Usually, third year students have positions like general secretary, president, vice president, and students from second year hold the position of associates.
So, sir, it was means a lot of things you have explained, and out of them, 2 points I want to mention it again. So, first question is that please explain that part, that what are the perks to the student who are ASME member or at a certain position. And the second question is regarding branch, that as the name signifies that it is for mechanical, but you mentioned that no, it is for all the branches. Means all the branches can the student from all branches can be part of this.
So the first thing is it gives a global position, an exposure. We are able to participate in the interglobal competitions and lots of tech talks and seminars, webinars, and a lot of stuff is going on all around the year.
Means you get a part of a very valuable community.
So this is how ASME actually gives a lot of opportunities and platform to all the student members. Second thing you asked about is the interdisciplinary thing. Okay, when ASME started,
Yes, sir. That is one of the hype things. Means, as you said, that a student from all branches can be a part of this wonderful organization. But at certain times, there is a confusion. Like this, the name itself signifies mechanical. So how it all works? So please explain it.
actually, when ASME started in the 19th century, it was actually a mechanical oriented thing only because there weren't many branches out there, right, in engineering. But as the world has grown, as the technology has grown, it has become more integrated toward interdisciplinary branch, and we try to cater all the branches and all the fields out there in the world, be it software engineering, communication, electronics, or hardwares like civil.
So means how you select different people from different branches. Means mainly from computer science, or it is electronics and communication, or CC.
So, if we are choosing different council members, so branch really doesn't matter because the main work of the council is managerial and not technical as such. So, it's a place, I guess, it's the ASME. It's a place जहाँ पे you don't not only improve your technical skills, but also social and managerial skills as well. So, irrespective of the branch, the main motto of ASME is to promote interdisciplinary learning. and that reflects also in the competitions that we organize. And हमने जो भी competitions कराए, been for the college or in the eFest, all of them, almost all of them require someone from each of the different branches. So it's never just restricted to mechanical.
We are in the technical college and we are having a technical fest plinth. So this organization participate in this, means what are the annual events of this organization?
So there are
Organize.
two specified events. One of them is called Pratibimb, which happens in our annual techno-managerial fest, which is the plinth, and it's basically a 3D designing competition, 3D designing and presentation competition, where sare participants are supposed to come up with an idea and make a 3D model on it on the CAD software, and they have to then present that design in front of a judge panel, and based upon their presentation skills and the technical skills as well, they get a score, and the top 3 winners get the prizes. So that's the Pratibimb. And the second one, which happens every year, is the industrial visit, which ASME organizes. So the location changes every year. So like the last year we could not organize because of the pandemic, obviously, but before that we went to Rawat Bhata nuclear plant, and before that there was another industrial visit that we were not a part of, unfortunately, because it was only for the final year, but it happens every year.
So I've seen that many of my friends are a part of ASME organization, and means they're really fun people. Means
Yeah, so basically one of the mottos of ASME is to celebrate engineering. So what is the point of using your mind if you are not having fun at the same time? So that's
Exactly.
something that we live by.
okay, sir. So my next question is from the part of your answer only, that you mentioned a pandemic. Okay, and we all know it's Corona. So in the Corona times, how you managed to keep up with the team, means how to hold their motto up, means you have to do the events, you have to participate in the events, and that's how you participated in Pinac.
Okay, well, thanks to Corona, we got stuck in our homes. So we thought, let's use this opportunity as well, and let's expand our domains. And we thought of conducting everything online this time. We had a dedicated team of members. All the 9 members of our council were quite dedicated to conduct a lot of events for our juniors and seniors, all the people around the globe as well. So what we did, we built a structure. We used social media to interact with our students from our nation as well as global communities, and we used all the platforms like Discord and Google Meet, Zoom, Instagram, Facebook, all our social media handles, and all the platforms that we could take opportunity from. We made sure to expand upon them, grow as a domain, and we conducted lots of events like webinars, and there were debates, craftings, presentation series, a lot of stuff. We tried to
Yes, sir.
yeah, Chirag, please.
I've seen that in the lockdown times when all the organizations were just shut down and college में भी इतना कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. On Instagram, while scrolling, I've seen many of ASME posts on LinkedIn. I've seen.
What we saw was since online was a new venture for everyone, there was not a lot of events that were happening in our college. So we took it as a challenge, and we took the first initiative of doing so. And in the early stages of pandemic, we tried to organize as much events as we could. We interacted on the Google Meet almost every day with the team. It was a new team; almost everyone was really enthusiastic at that time, and we thought of spearheading the online events in our college, and I guess that's how other clubs followed as well after us.
And actually, adding on to what Manas said, I mean, it's a job of an engineer to always tackle new problems and come up with a solution, right? So this was a big challenge, a global pandemic, and as ASME is a engineering domain, we took the challenge and came up with a solution, it seems. Yeah.
Exactly. So it's a lot of talk about ASME and how it works and everything about it. So now let's jump to the main part that here we are for, means Pinac. Okay. So how it all started, means it's an innovative, creative and a wonderful idea. Means I want to know that how it started, means organization में कौन से event में हमने participate किया, क्या team रही थी हमारी, means everything I want to know about it.
Okay, sure. Okay, so as we talked about the global fest that ASME conducts from its New York center, which is the head center of ASME, They conducted few activities for all over the students around the globe. The one we participated in which Team Pinnac participated, was a critical design challenge, and it was of a human-powered vehicle that we had to create and come up with a great solution of it. And yeah, that was the competition that we participated in.
Means what are the events that ASME organizes?
Talking about the eFest itself, there are several competitions, and the main ones that almost happen every year. First one is the HPVC Human Powered Vehicle Challenge, जिसमें हमने इस साल participate किया था. The second is the old guard oral presentation competition, जो कि आपका speaking skills को judge करता है basically. So it basically trains you for the conference presentations, जो कि अगर आप if you are going to research paper, writing a research paper and all, जो आपको करना होता है in conferences. So it basically trains you and tests you on that. And since in college not a lot of people are basically writing a research paper, so you can present your project or any idea that has been or someone else has worked on. And yeah, that's how it works. Third is the elevator pitch, where you have to convince a panel of judges in front of you on a particular given challenge statement. For example, if you watch Shark Tank, you have approximately just like that, but over here you have just 90 seconds to convince the judge in front of you to get interested in your idea and possibly invested in it as well. That's the elevator pitch. And there's a student design challenge, and there's the IM3D, additive manufacturing competition. And basically both of them are robotics and drone competition and all that. So it's not just related to mechanical. I would again like to emphasize that. And that's just the eFest, except that there are a lot of international opportunities, namely international conferences like the IMECI and the SLTC, that if you are really engaged with the SME, you get a chance to go into that. So another important perk is that if you are affiliated with the SME or a member and you are interested, you can get a chance to be selected in the conferences and get a fully paid trip to the US where the conference happens. And your student section basically pays for that, for like our section, LNMIT. If you are selected, we pay for everything. आप जाओ, attend the session, learn, have fun. That's all that matters, nothing else.
So thank you Manas sir and Shubhang sir for this lovely session.